how to add some scrolling text or a ticker tape to your Ecamm live production. So the scrolling text like we've got here or down here somewhere. So let's go in the admin section of Ecamm. These two here, these two, you can generally only have the one at a time on screen with different fonts. So that's our clean canvas. Let's add the official way. So we bring in the text. We'll add some text here. Text color white. Edit background. We want orange. And if you see here, we can control the background color, text margin. The important thing is where we've got here, which is dynamic. We want to change the scrolling ticker. So we've got the ticker set there, scrolling ticker. Click add, and that's our text there. I'll just move that up a bit. I can, if I hover over, you'll see I have a turtle or over here. If I shift to the turtle, that will slow the text down. Or if I'm in a rush, I'll speed it up. Again, you want it in ideally you want the font big enough so somebody can read it. Bear in mind that they might be watching it on a phone, but also potentially on a 4K TV, so you need to cater for that. And again, have it readable. Make it sure in the UK it's DDA compliant, so if somebody's visually impaired, you've got a good contrast between the background and the foreground. And again, you don't need a background if, like me, you've got a bit of a dark set. You could probably have that scrolling at the bottom, and there might, not with this shirt on, but there might generally be a good enough level of separation. Now let's look at the other two ways. Okay, both the next two methods are going to require the widget. So if we go down here, press new widget, that'll pop up this box here. We want to go embed HTML. So we'll do basic text and this one. Zoom out a bit. I now need to bring a website over. I will leave a link to this website in the description and comments. It's free. So what we need to do, you can see the text there. I need to copy this block of code. Control C. Move that out of the way. I then need to drop it in here. Paste. Use this confidently. Now we can't see it because we can't see it. Never mind. What you need to do, I think if I save it first, let me say, we want it, say 1000 pixels by 100. Horizon may prevent this thing. So add widget. If I add widget, I'm almost certain the text then becomes readable. It's actually gone off screen. Hey, well, I thought that was going to be a lot smaller than that. Edit widget. Let's go 500. Yeah, there you are. I did say, so I can, what I need to do is just change the text in this area here. So text, edit this. So we can edit the text after and before the HTML code. So this is an old-fashioned way of getting scrolling text on a website. So we're using the marquee. So the closed brackets there and the opening there must stay. So you can edit text in between there. So this, and then once you press save, let's save that again. And there's the text. If I press and hold the Alt key, I can scale the bounding frame. You'll also notice it is not full width. So I can have this at the bottom here and it's just scrolling away. So if I come out of demo mode, you'll see it's just on the, I almost forgot now. Left, look at my eyes are bloodshot. I need to get some sleep. Left, right. So it's on the right hand side. But the other way will allow you to have different fonts and fonts that are on your system. Let's do the next one. So again, this will require the widget. So this is a web widget. By the way, this is not just for text. This is you bring in external HTML code. This could be from competition websites if you want spinning wheels, stream alerts, those type of things, both via a straight URL or if you're embedding some of your own HTML, which is what we're doing at the moment. Now, if you didn't see those options, the HTML options, put my teeth back in, if you didn't see that, that's because they're on the beta release and you need to be updated either to see the beta release or in time Ecamm will update it so it goes in the main release. Another thing, if you want to find out how you can edit out a splice from a video that's already been uploaded to YouTube, tap subscribe and I'll let you know, because that's what I need to do with this bit here, because eventually it's going to go into the live build and I want to cut this bit out. Returning back to normal programs, font book, which I believe if you go control space and then do font book, open, give that a moment, and now let's choose a font you want. So action, what's that one there? Action is 3D. Let's see. So custom font, if you don't select custom font, it'll just use the system font. I go custom font, and that was action is 3D JL. Is it case sensitive? There we are. So if we scroll down a bit, we'll see it's picked up that font there. The other thing you may have noticed, oh look, there's an Ecamm Live font. Now this is not from Ecamm, this is not, there you are, something I've been playing with, so I can have live elements within my font. If you'd like to find out more about that, let us know in the comments and I might share. So we've selected our font, I can get that out of the way. We can decide what we want our text. So we can Ecamm here, it's 2mm, Ecamm Live. What color you want it in. Again, I'm going to stick with white. What font size you want, let's say 32. Speed, I think it defaults at 20. I'm going to keep it slow at 60. Let's go 70. Let's see what that does. So if I go 20, again, it will vary depending how big and your screen is. So 20 looks a bit too fast. No speed will be too much. So let's go with 70. Once we're happy with that, go down to copy code. That's going to copy this block of text here, or this HTML I should say. And then let's move that out of the way. Let's come back to this widget I opened up earlier. Just drop the code in there. As it says, it shows it in black, but we want this one. I'm going to say 600 by 200, 30 frames a second. Could do with 25. I'm doing this in 25. Us over in Europe. So add widget. Zoom out. There's that font there. I'm now going to press the Alt key because that's a bit thicker than I wanted. That might not be the world's best font, but let's get rid of that one because you can never have too many things on the screen. Not. So there's that font going. If I come out to demo mode, you see that looks absolutely, I don't look too bad, I suppose. It depends what your channel's about. So that's how that works. What would probably be useful in this case, if I bring in a rectangle here, I'm going to put that over this. And we can drop that behind there, and that's it. That's how you add a scrolling text. So the official way as shown initially, and these two are using HTML. If you did find this useful, you need to watch the next video because that's really exciting. Don't forget to tap subscribe.